I journaled every single day for 30 days. Not because someone told me to, because I needed to hear myself think. And what I found wasn't just peace, it was clarity about who I actually am. We talk about inner peace like it's something you find out there. It's not. It's something you uncover in here. And journaling, when done with intention, is one of the most honest mirrors you'll ever look into. Here's what nobody's saying. The noise isn't just outside of you. The notifications, the deadlines, the pressure to perform, those feed something internal, an anxious loop, a mind that never actually rests because it's never actually been heard. Most people are running from their own thoughts. We stay busy, stay distracted, stay productive because sitting with ourselves feels uncomfortable. But that discomfort isn't a warning sign, it's a doorway. The chaos you feel isn't a character flaw. It's what happens when you're processing a world that moves faster than your nervous system was designed to handle. The question isn't, why am I stressed? The question is, when did you last actually listen to yourself? 3 practices I've used that actually work. 1. Gratitude. But go deeper. Don't just write what you're thankful for. Write why it matters. Not good coffee. More like, I'm grateful I still find peace in small things. That means I haven't lost myself yet. That's where the insight lives. 2. Emotional dumping, no filter. Write exactly what's in your head. Ugly, irrational, unfinished thoughts. No editing. The act of getting it out of your mind and onto a page breaks the loop. You're not your thoughts, but you need to see them clearly to know that. 3. Write to your future self. Not a fantasy letter, a real one. Tell them what you're struggling with right now and what you're choosing to do about it. This collapses the gap between who you are and who you're becoming. That gap is where anxiety lives. I've watched people, real people in my life, completely shift their relationship with themselves through this one practice. Not because journaling is magic, but because it forces you to slow down enough to be honest. And honesty is where healing begins. One person I know started journaling through the heaviest season of their life, grief, confusion, feeling like they were just going through the motions. No dramatic breakthrough moment, just small, consistent entries. Over weeks, they started noticing their own patterns, their triggers, their real values versus the ones they'd inherited. And slowly, the noise got quieter. Not because life changed, but because they did. That's the real power here. Journaling doesn't give you peace. It gives you access to the peace that's already in you. This isn't about becoming someone new. It's about getting honest with who you already are. That's the work. Small, consistent, and deeply personal. The journal is just the tool. You're the practice. Start today. 1 page, no rules. And if something surfaces that surprises you, drop it in the comments. I read them. Let's think through this together. And if this resonates, subscribe. We go deeper every week. Thank you for spending time with me. Pharaoh B.